So many of you who watch the channel know that I actually like the BaerSkin products, and I wear their hoodie, their BaerSkin 2 and their BaerSkin 3, and I've actually started wearing their new soft shell rain jacket, especially if it's a cooler day and there's just a chance of it raining, because you get that kind of warmth because it has like a thinner layer of that bearskin fleece inside it. Plus you get some decent rainproofing, which is really nice. So BaerSkin actually sent us, because I had asked for it in the last video where we did the soft shell jacket, and they sent their, I want to say it's their actual dedicated rain jacket. This is it here. So my hope is, and I haven't tried it on or anything like that, the hope is that I'm going for my big motorcycle trip, and rain gear is important. I have rain gear, but one of the issues I find with motorcycle rain gear, at least the one that I have, is that if you get caught in the rain and it's a warm day out, there's no breathing at all to them. So you cook, and then inside you end up getting really hot and sweaty and things like that. At least with the rain gear that I have for when I'm out riding. Anyways, this one here is the BaerSkin, I want to say, I'll just call it dedicated rain jacket, I guess. And this video, just so you guys know, is really just a first look at it, because it's not raining out. It's actually plus 32 degrees Celsius, so quite warm. But I do expect that we're going to get some rain for sure during a trip, because I'm gone for 25 days. So the chances of not having rain in 25 days, not so great. Anyways, just like a lot of the new BaerSkin stuff, you do get a sticker. I only wear BaerSkin. That's not necessarily true for me, but cool sticker. If you like stickers, you can get 20% off your next order if you like it and leave a review. Cool. And they come in multiple colors. I think there's 3 colors. Again, I'm kind of guessing. There's this color here, which is kind of like a greeny blue color. I don't know how well it shows up on the camera. It's kind of a greeny blue. I think they have a black, and then they have a yellow. I'm kind of happy that they sent this color. This is a nice color. Anyways, let's take a quick look again. First look, because we will have a second look or an actual review after I go on the trip and come back and have had a chance to wear this actually out in the rain. 100%, just so you guys know, 100% polyester, designed in Europe, made in China. Okay. And let's zip. Now the zipper itself seems to have a nice, like, water resistant, waterproof seal on it. You do get some nice pull tabs up in the neck area. The zipper, even though it's not like a YKK, I do find that their zippers are actually quite good. And it does have a nice pull tab here. So if, for me, wearing gloves, this should be much easier to grab. You can pull this down. Now, I think this is a 2XL, because they seem to send me 2XL because they know that I'm going to be wearing this usually over like a motorcycle jacket. So I want that extra space on there. I did get another product from them. I actually got the BaerSkin underwear, and yeah, I'm wearing a pair right now, and they're comfy, but they may be, I wouldn't have minded a little bit of a smaller size, because I am losing some weight, which is good. But they still fit. Anyway, we'll talk about that in a future video. Anyways, this is nice and light. And the big thing for me is it does have this, like, you see it here. I think that's like I can't tell if that's like a separation liner or it's just all one piece. I can't really tell. But it does have up in the front, it does have like a liner here. So that's going to help. That might be just around the pockets, but it may help a little bit, just kind of keeping certain areas away from you. That's an inside pocket, so it's nice to have a rain jacket that actually has an inside pocket. Your normal outside pockets here don't have that same kind of seal as the main zipper pocket does, but it does have a flap that goes over it, so that should help protect that. Zipper wise, again, this is going to kind of stick out the side, so you have that ability to zip that up and down. And that's kind of nice. Once you actually get in to that pocket, it's actually like a pocket and then a pocket inside. And that pocket there does have, that's that one that kind of sticks through here. It is a mesh, so it is kind of breathable, which is nice. So yeah, I guess it would have some separation because like I said, it's like got a pocket. It's like a pocket with a big kind of flap and then another pocket inside it, right? Kind of, maybe not. I'm not too sure. But well, that's different. It's got like an outside pocket and an inside pocket. So that's a little different. Maybe, I wonder, can you zip it from the inside? No, that's strange. But anyways, you can use it as two different pockets, which is kind of nice. I guess that's kind of handy. So you can put stuff on the inside if you want, a little bit more rain protection, and then put it on the outside. Cuff wise, this is your cuff. It's nice Velcro. Now the one thing I kind of wish that they would do, and they on the soft shell it was nice, but I find I couldn't get the cuffs quite as tight as I wanted. We'll see how this cuff works. And on the actual bottom of it, there should hopefully be, yeah, I put some pull strings to be able to cinch the bottom, I think, so that it can just kind of make sure it's sealed down there. Anyways, there's a nice hood on there, and you guys can see the inside. The inside looks decent. Pocket, there's pocket on both sides, so right and left. And this is again a 2XL. So I probably could have went down to just a one. Yeah, 100%. I could have went down to just a single. I am losing all kinds of weight, which again is good. But this is gonna also go, like I said, over top of a motorcycle jacket, right? So that extra space, probably good. You also get inside this, you guys can see it. You get like a rain flap here, which is inside to help protect. So if any water does get through this zipper, then we should be okay. And a good hood. And the nice thing about BaerSkin is they seem to have learned when their version 2 came out, the hood was ridiculously large. So this is better. That's going to fit nice over top of a rain jacket, or sorry, a motorcycle jacket for sure. But see here, this is my only issue. Watch. See, I need this like, so it barely, like it just fits. I would like to see their Velcro go further back so that you can really snug it up, because it's fine, but like if I really wanted it tight, like I wanted it up here, like it's barely touching, you know? So I would like to see, hopefully if they make a version 2 of this, that the Velcro goes like all the way around, because right now I can get it to about there, but there's still a fair bit of looseness in there. I do like that this goes all the way up, especially like with a helmet, that should be okay. And because this is a nice rain hood and it's thin, I should actually be able to possibly wear that right under the helmet, which would be good. Okay. And then these, there should be one on each side. Yeah. So you can just cinch that down if you wanted. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can cinch that down. It does have a little tiny brim right there, which is nice. Okay, good. But this one's, so 2XL, right? It's got some, actually length is a little longer than I want, but it's got some, you guys can see my midsection, right? Like it's got lots of space. So again, for my intended purpose, I think that'll be okay. That'll be okay, right? Yeah, it's nice. It's super light, which is super nice. Yeah, kind of a first look at it. As far as a rain jacket goes, I think that's decent. I'll leave links down below to BaerSkin if you want to go check them out. I have a rain jacket by another brand, and I don't think it's as nice as this. It does the trick for sure, but I don't think it's as nice a rain jacket as this one. So so far I'm down with it. There's that cinch for your waist again, so if you want to get it snug up there, you can. Testing will be coming soon, and you guys hopefully will be able to check that out once I get caught in the rain at some point. All right, guys, that's a BaerSkin. I want to say like it's not soft shell, maybe it's hard shell. I don't know. It's the actual rain jacket, and first look at it, and we will see you guys in a second video for it once I get to test it. All right, my friends, that's it. Links down below if you're interested, and we'll see you guys next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And that's all.